everyone, it's Akuna. I'm a own intern, and today I'm going to show you how to make a melted crayon canvas. It is so easy to do, and an amazing home decor for your bedroom, and it makes you look like a famous artist. How to make this? You will need a canvas, of course, a blow dryer, a hot glue gun, and please make sure you ask a parent for supervision or you know how to handle a hot glue gun properly. You need hot glue sticks. And for the star of the show, drumroll please, crayons! I collected all my crayons in a span of 2 years, so I have a lot. Plug in your hot glue gun so that your hot glue gun starts to warm up. It takes a while, so I'll advise you to start at the beginning. Start putting the crayons on your canvas, and then arrange them to your liking and hot glue them down. Then, you're going to plug in your blow dryer and make sure your canvas is on a cloth because it might spill. And put your blow dryer on high heat, but if you don't have that setting, just put on your blow dryer. Now you're going to blow it down. It takes a long time for the crayons to melt, but it starts to melt. You have the chance to be blowing the crayons into different directions, so you can add that special touch. As you can see, the blue and red and the yellow and green are interfering with each other because I made them blow into each other, and it made it look really fun and complex. And that's really it with this DIY. I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to Miss and O and follow them on Instagram, and I'll see you soon.